So Deborah, tell us about when it's appropriate to use acupressure during labour.
It can play a very valuable role in all kinds of births. Because I come from a neonatal nursing background, I realise that medical intervention is necessary in some circumstances, but you can discuss this further with your midwife or consultant. But one of the great things about acupressure is that you can use it anywhere, if you're planning your birth in a hospital, at a birthing centre or at home.
And can you use acupressure in a birth pool?
Yes, actually, acupressure has a distinct advantage over other pain relief techniques like TENS machines because you can use it in water. So you can use these techniques anywhere, but one of the most important things is to start using the acupressure in the early stages of labour. The feedback I've received has convinced me that this is vital to the success of these techniques. So acupressure is most effective when the support people have had time to use it before the labour enters its most intense stage.
And do you think acupressure can be used as the sole method of pain relief?
Some women do opt to use it as their main method of pain control, but others would also use it to start at the beginning of their labour and have a backup plan of an epidural or other pain relief if they require it. You can start off using the acupressure techniques, and then as labour progresses you can decide for yourself what the best form of pain relief is going to be for you. It's best to discuss with your midwife or consultant about the various pain relief methods that may be available to you so that you can plan to use these during your birth if you require them. But you may find these acupressure techniques so effective that you don't need to progress to the medical pain relief after all.
And are there any risks with using acupressure?
Well, although these techniques are non-invasive, they can have powerful effects and need to be used appropriately. Some of these points encourage and strengthen contractions, and for this reason I recommend you only use light pressure when you're practicing. But once labour has started, you can apply as much pressure as the birthing woman finds helpful.
We recommend learning the techniques in this DVD and, if possible, practicing them several times with light pressure in the weeks leading up to your due date. But even if you're watching this for the first time at a late stage, don't worry, it's simple enough to learn in a short space of time.